Hey, hey, hey. I'm headed out to the gym. So this is my day one, 2021, back at the gym. So it's going to be a bit difficult, but you know what? I'm not feeling like fresh, because I haven't been to the gym in like forever. So I'm gonna try and work out today. So yeah. So come with me. Okay, so now I'm on my way to the gym. We'll see what happens. Yo, I went to the gym. The queue outside, I think I was like number 30 or 30 something. I'm asking, like, guys, what's going on? Apparently now, because of level 3, they can only allow 50 people inside the gym, not more than that. So if there's 50 people inside working out, you have to wait for one person to go out, then the other person can go in. Whew, my goodness, imagine I'm at this Virgin Active, the Ritz. So now I'm thinking, let me go to another Virgin Active and see, because it means I'll go inside the gym at 10 and 11 and I still have to work. No, I think maybe the best thing they must do is must just go back to booking online. We just book online, and if it's full or there's no space, you don't even bother to come, or you book a slot that is like less of peaky hour. Oh my goodness. So now I'm at the mall. I just want to go to Clicks and see, then after I will try another gym and see how it goes. Yeah. Okay, I'm now at Vision Active Eco Park. I'm going to try this gym. Hopefully there's not, oh my gosh, there's also queues, but they're not that long. Let me show you. They're not that like that.
you.